Me, Madison. So today we have another Boxycharm video, and it is Boxycharm number 10. And we've almost been doing this for a whole year. There's like 2 more months left. So that would be February, March, and April. And then we'll have been doing this for a year. So if there's any other subscription boxes like Boxycharm that you would want me to do, then leave a comment down below. But now I'm going to open it and show you what's in it. So of course there's your card, and in it we have Trio brush set from Crown Pro. That's $30. Now we have a lip plumping lip exfoliator for $17 pure. Next we have a smoky eye pencil for $21 from Vintage Cosmetics. Next thing we have is a shimmer veil from Cover FX for $28. Then the biggest thing is a Ofra Cosmetics, a pop-up palette mini. So it's a magnet like the Z palettes. And then we have a blush that goes in the palette. The palette was $19 and then the blush was $12. So now I'm gonna open this up. And I'm gonna, oh, it's like a 2 doors. It's like, so I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna put the blush in there because I'm not gonna, like, yeah, I'm gonna get ready. And here's what it looks like. It's a pan blush. And then all you do is you stick it in the palette. Now you have your own blush palette. Oh, wrong way. So here's how it looks. So let's get started with the makeup look. So first we're gonna start out with the e.l.f. Lock On Face Primer, and this is new. So I'm gonna apply some of this. Here's what it looks like. It's like a clear white liquid. It's like rubbing clear glue together. Oh my hairs are like, it's like glue. This is not primer. This is not primer. This is not safe. Get me a towel! So this one's a no because my face stuck to my hand. Don't ask. Okay. So that was a fail. So now we're gonna do it the Lock It, and it says Lock It again. Lock It Featherweight Primer Base from Kat Von D. More promising. Nice. Yeah, this is better. Oh. Now there's stuff in my eyebrow. I need to hurry up and do this video. I have homework. Okay, so now after that, we're gonna do the foundation, and I'm gonna be using the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. First time using it. So it smells like liquid latex. Okay, you still look like a different color from your neck, but it's fine. Okay, so I didn't like that BB cream, so now we're gonna go with the Too Faced concealer, which I have tried before, so I know it's gonna work, but now I'm well with this foundation. Next, I'm gonna set it with some Air Spincati loose face powder. I was so confident. My dreams are shattered before my eyes. It's in my eye. I'm crying. Ow! My eye hurts. So now my eyes burning. So now I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. So now I got my brows on. I'm gonna use this new Wet n Wild brow mascara on my brows. Here's what the wand looks like. And they just like natural it out a little bit. So there's my brows. So next I'm gonna do an eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone. So now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm using the brush they supplied in the Boxycharm, and I'm gonna go like start in the outer edge and go out. Like that. And the brush feels very soft, it's not pokey at all. Okay. So now that both sides have that, I'm gonna go in with the Veil Cover FX stuff they applied, and I'm gonna put that right in the lid. So I just finished up with the the veil stuff, and it's okay. It's like very, very shimmery though, so yeah. Next I'm gonna get this vintage eyeliner and I'm gonna put it on my waterline. The eyeliner is very creamy, easy to go on. Now I'm gonna put Lash Craft Lengthen Volume Mascara. Next, I'm going to do highlighter with my new Hourglass highlighter stick. Oh, I got this with that. Oh, it's so new and like beautiful. Ooh. So I really like that highlighter. So now I'm going to go in with the Ofra blush that was included in the Boxycharm. Next I'm going to use Butter Bronzer, because this has been around forever. From Madison formula. So now that I'm bronzed, I'm gonna plump my lips. Yay! Her lip plumper. Ow. Ow. Ew, it's crusty. So I'm gonna leave this on for a couple minutes. I'm gonna wipe it off and I'll come back. So now I'm gonna get this clear gloss from FRILLIANCE. And I'm gonna put this on my lips. They do look bigger. Oh, when I was waiting for my lips, I did put lashes on. And go check out my video where I did a review on the FRILLIANCE products. So here is the look. So out of the stuff that came out of the Boxycharm this month, I liked the palette from Ofra. And I like the blush from Ofra. And I like the brushes that came with it. So yeah. So here's the completed makeup look. Not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell. Leave a like. And I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!